Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand. And in the past videos I have concentrated on replacing parts for stability. Parts here and parts here. And I fixed some wires which were necessary, including some pneumatic tubes. However, there are still some more points of concern, which is the lower gearbox and the wrist gear. And I want to start with the lower gearbox because that has been giving me some problems. Lower gearbox is responsible for this movement, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And there are 4 gears involved, or more appropriate 2 motors with a gear and 2 gears and switches. So I need to find out why they are not functioning as they should. Of course, programming is involved, so I will run the code, but I have to check them out. And for that I also changed to screencast. With the screencast you have the normal the camera view, the code, diagnosis tool, and obviously execution of the code terminal. What I first want to do is, with the view on the gearbox, the lower gearbox, see if I can do something with the diagnostics interface. And the wire for the motors is running towards extension motor in output connection 1. So then it would be obvious to have that run, but it doesn't do a thing. So I'm changing interface, once again slave, and I have no connection or no result. So that doesn't promise too much. So in order to see if I'm doing something wrong anyway, let me remove safety, transport safety that is. And start the code. That is not promising either. All right. Reset the whole interface. And see whatever I can get out of it. And this is a bit worrisome with a not very big screen. Now things work. All right. I interrupt. I go back to the diagnostic interface. Slave. And then I see, indeed, as you can see here as well, one motor running and the other motor isn't doing a thing. So that is something I have to check immediately. Why is one motor running and not the other? Because also the motors are linked through, which means that everything that goes to one motor automatically goes to the other. And now neither motor is running. So one thing is clear, things need to be fixed. Question is, what has to be fixed? It is whining. So there is clearly something at work. Now I lift them, it runs free. I lift the other, disconnecting it, but it doesn't do a thing. So a winding motor usually indicates that there is heavy resistance. And the question is, why is that resistance present? With the reconstruction partly of the lower gearbox, some checks and checking of the wrist with the yaw and the roll, also with the lower motor right there for the turning of the whole of the arm. I think that's nicely done so far. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. All subscribers and all likes, thumbs up are appreciated of course and helps the channel. You can support via PayPal or buy me coffee, or by joining me via Patreon or Ko-fi, and then get access to the full-length videos. And thank you for the supporters which are listed on my website. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.